a Christmas tree. Look.
Yeah, it's too shallow.
Oh, new word in my grammar. Shallow. Yeah. Give the lower back.
The vlog continues with Katy drinking Americano.
Yes, but I am hungry. Multinational chains. Θα φάμε ντομάτα. I'm a navigator.
Oh, navigate us, please.
Hello, my friends. We just arrived in Larnaca. Cyprus. Come with us to explore this beautiful island. Larnaca is one of the most ancient cities in Cyprus. This place is called Balkaneiros. It means the place with small palms.
Yeah, it seems like Rio.
We don't have gone to Rio
Yet?
But
Maybe.
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Who knows? Look at the beach.
We are walking in the place called Balkaneiros, the small park, and it's really pretty. So hot. I love this place. I love the very hot places. My English. I really like the palms, the sun, and let's get explore everything here. Oh, it's a black. Hello.
Hello.
How do you go? Tell us something about your first moments in Larnaca. My dear,
I like it. I like it.
I'm a little bit hungry.
Yeah, we go. We go and buy something. Here, the car stops.
Ooh. And the car drives in the opposite side.
So, here is a very nice place in Larnaca. Here people, they have a walk here. Maybe they jump into the water from here. I think so. What do you think?
No, I don't think jump here because look, this guy is walking.
Yeah. Yeah, it's too shallow.
Oh, new word in my grammar. Shallow. Yeah. Give the lower back. Oh, the wind.
Yeah,
Eh?
be my common ground.
Ground. Oh, ground.
You are in Larnaca.
Yes,
You are in a common ground.
yes, I am. Hello, common ground.
It's a nice city. Every city that has promenade, a beach from the waterfront, I think it's very beautiful.
Larnaca is very walkable city. We can walk everywhere and it's very simple. Very nice. Give me a little.
The vlog continues with Katy drinking Americano.
Yes, but I am hungry.
Yeah, we go to buy it.
I need a quick snack.
I think it's one of the best coffees I had.
A lot of
Multinational chains.
I can't
McDonald's.
find yet something traditional.
Maybe after 1-2 blocks up from
Maybe.
the beach. Yeah. I'm sure.
In the beach line, it's only πώς το πες?
Multinational chains.
Multinational chains. Θα φάμε ντομάτα.
With tomato.
Okay. In the beach line we have multinational chains.
I think
Λουκούμα.
winter never comes here.
Like dorm.
Oh yeah.
A bike.
I think
Yes?
in a way,
Yeah?
in a fantasy,
Yeah?
it looks like Rio de Janeiro, the whole beach front.
Yes, with palms, with the long beach, the restaurant this side. It misses one thing, one little detail, the floor. Not the mosaic.
Copacabana in Ipanema.
Exactly.
Yeah, maybe. And a little bit Latin or reggaeton music.
Yes, Latin. Maybe one day we can go to Brazil. Okay, subscribe us, like us, follow us, leave us a comment,
So we can go.
give us a comment,
Follow us.
tell us your opinion. How do you like? Do you like us? It looks like Barceloneta
Okay.
with the palms and the sea, but without the cars. I'm a navigator.
Oh, navigate us,
Okay.
please.
Another country, another continent. Λοιπόν, look, we are here. All this triangle are the monuments you must see. And here is the lake, the salt lake. It's about from here to here. It's all straight. About an hour. If you want. We have to explore so many things and many places here in Cyprus and in Larnaca. Stay tuned.
And everybody stops, eh?
Oh yeah.
Cross.
Here knows how to drive.